Okay, this is the question from the previous GATE paper in the year of 1994. The topic is related to the digital communication techniques. Here the question is the bandwidth required for the transmission of PCM signal increases by a factor of dash when the number of quantization levels is increased from 4 to 64. Okay, here the number of quantization levels are given, that is nothing but L. Here L value is given as initially 4. Now the L values increases to 64. Now we'll find out the bandwidth corresponding to L value 4 and L value equal to 64, and we'll see the improvement factor. Okay, so here L is nothing but the number of quantization levels. The relation between the L and the number of bits is know that L equal to 2 to the power of n, where L is the number of quantization levels, n is the number of bits in PCM. Okay, from this one given as, that is 2 to the power of n is given as 4. Okay, by using the formula, simply this is considered for the first case n1. From this one, the formula for n1 equal to log base 2 4. Okay, that is nothing but 2. The n1 value equal to 2. Now the bandwidth corresponding to this one is bandwidth 1 equal to, that is nothing but n into fs1. That is nothing but n into fs. N is here the value equal to 2 into fs. Okay, that is the bandwidth for corresponding to the L value equal to 4. Similarly, the L is nothing but the 2 to the power of n, that equal to 64. That is n2. From this one, n2 value is log base 2, that is 64. That is nothing but log base 2 to the power of 6. Now here the n2 value is 6. Then the bandwidth corresponding to L value equal to 64, that is considered as bandwidth 2, that equal to n into fs, that is nothing but 6 fs. Here the bandwidth 2 by bandwidth 1 equal to 6 fs by 2 fs, that equal to 3. Therefore bandwidth 2 improved as 3 times of bandwidth 1. Now here the factor is 3.